Ndorotonda vitaji.
Vakapfekerwa fusutu nemapushi. Pana kuti uri dhonyas.
Right, vauze.
But kuna anonzi malufa, maguchi, maanta, maadidas, maversace. Musafunge kuti tiri matsaga. Panorowa maslim fit. Tamba kurovera down top tokurovera nemapushi kuti usaise but utasaise marasta.
Yo man.
Utashike kuti iwe. Canada kwendwe nebot, kunendwa nendege. Can you shut off this bumbleclap video? Dash it away. Superstone family. When I'm saying Superstone family, I'm talking about Mad Minox, the legend and the legend of Superstone. We are going to make these things to come out. We are going to expurgate and talk something which is important to where we are going. It's not about what we are looking about, but it's all about what we are talking. People, they underrate what we are looking about. So that we give them what they need and we give them what they need to know. When say mad, when we're showing my elder. Education is too much, education is very dangerous. Art. Indosa makamboyisika stage yoyo. Muchikure pene maona gononzi Mado wakupenga because wane nharo wada kuti zviite. I'm 26 years old. Ndinenge ndane nharo nda kuti enough is enough. I need to spark on it so that I can.
Unokware.
I am a champion.
Unokware.
Can you dash away this video? Background of the pit. The pit of background. Hey, Clinton, hey.
Continue. Onaga. Hey, bo.
It's too much.
Bo.
It's too much.
Zegera. Abo. Okay.
My name is Cephas Braff, and I'm a young child from Africa. I'm outer from second, I'm come from Chinamora. Big up to Mad Minox, outer Canada. The one African basket of Zimbabwe, the one who's supporting the youth and developing the vision of the youth. Because when you don't have a vision or a hope, you are going to astray. Other African people, they are poor and they are looking for jobs, but we are entrepreneurs. We need to build our infrastructure. We don't need to look for investors because investor is the one who put the money in our vision. If we are the owner of our vision, we should save and we should have reserved capital in our bank so that our economy can go forward.
Yes.
I'm going to go to expurgate these things. I'm not drunkenness and I'm not madness, but as an African child, like Cephas Braff. Bigger man, can you dash away this video?
No, I'm gonna dash away this video. Why
we don't dash away this video?
We cannot dash away this video.
Because other people, African people, the corruption is there in the business in African people. Even UNICEF, they're giving the money so the people, they can wear masks and they can prevent coronavirus. But where is this man going for? Corruption is there in the business. Usasa ndiro we vanorowa ukatara chokwadi avadi chokwadi sadaro kana iwe sadaro
Hola. Hey mira kama kan
Don't dash away. Don't dash. Cool, Cephas,
cool down.
Why they beat me? Because of the truth. Poor people or African people, they no need the truth. When you talk them the truth, they're going to beat you because what you going to tell them. Elder people failed the mission so that this young generation can go to school. The school is closed. Form 4, yesterday they're writing history paper 1, which is 21 January. But what is going to establish? Where is the education going? Many people are the young generation that are in the streets, but they don't have in their empty vessels. What they are going to teach this child, Mad Minox? What is going on, my brother?
Yes, Chimedza. Yes.
My master.
Yes.
What is going? Can you dash away this video?
We're gonna dash away this video. We're gonna dash away this
Enough
video.
is enough, Clinton.
It's not enough.
Man, I can write a book. I can write even a book.
Hold on.
I am a human being.
Yes.
I don't need to going astray. It's not about alcohol, not about drunkenness. But where is the vision of African people going? We have men industry. But the other people are not going to the works. They are not going to the works. We have gold in Zimbabwe. Where is gold going? We have diamonds in Zimbabwe. Where is diamond going? We have cloth in Zimbabwe. We have cotton in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Where is that cotton? We have Adidas, we have Gucci, we have other labels coming from other countries. Label in Zimbabwe is Nuzo, one more take from Zimbabwe and on the chi. Dash away. Who don't take one from Zimbabwe and on the chi? Nuzo, boat take from Zimbabwe on the chi. Engineers, doctors. Where is the doctors?
Yes. Dash it away. Yes, Chimedza. Yes, Chimedza.
Levels.
Pull.
Yeah, it's a levels. One of we are going to drink it on the level. Hey. Iri bandira ndakapfeka reingopfekwa namushanga shiki rinopfekwa kuchina kana vachiziva vamwe vanoziva ino shinshong kanshinshong minox pane randasiya kudhen rinopfekwa iroro kumuslim rinonzi salamu alaikum salamu nakanaka ngano rekumandevele rinonzi mina ndoba wena area Remember vayewe kumalawa rinonzi muri bonje tiri bwino muri bonje tiri bwino achimwene kurowoye vakarova Zimbabwe pai vafana vaitena vakadyiwa nezvigu
Yes, Chimedza.
vafana vayavainotaura chirungu takwira ndege takutaura nenowisi I see a young generation. It's coming forward. Vari kuda chirungu here, Clinton, Boris. Where is this child way going forward? Arekanimbaita kusaini, rekanimbaita Tupac. Parungodiwa Tupac. Motherfucker. Black man, Tupac. Yes. Like anybody Bob Marley. One more night. Yeah. Like it Dube. Right, like Dube.
Dash it away. Dash.
Can I start the engine?
Yes, Chimedza.
Okay. Kampana gatete. Kanogona kungodai. Kongogadai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obakamochinja. 1, 2. Papa Nino. Yes. Wow, Dubai. Tomboita shikunwe. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Muromo.
Amuromo unokona kubvisa mazino. Pati ndakadai. Dash it away.